So I want to show in a quick presentation how you can use Focus Replace inside Hawkeye. First off, let's add some folders that we can do this inside. And I've chosen to use the released repos of Command & Conquer. Choose the folders that we need, and then we can drag and drop it onto the group section. We can then give it a name, press OK. Now we can choose to give the folder some filters. So if we leave it empty, it's gonna load everything inside that folder. But if we decide to add something in the include filter, then it's gonna filter out based on that. Then we choose to reload. We can open up a new tab and then we can search for the thing we want to replace. Let's say here that Billy comes in and he wants to change from Ava super weapon to something different. This doesn't have to be code. Whatever you want to change inside your game or program, what a sound is called, like a string, a model, any kind of content basically. Now we have a lot of results here that we want to replace. You can choose to click on actions and then focus replace. On the left side you have that it's currently written as, and then on the right side you can put whatever you want to replace it to. There's also a choice here that you can clear this entire line. Maybe you have done something with a property that's no longer available and you just want to clear it. But for this presentation, we're just going to show when you're replacing something. So you click on replace, then you can see on the left side is what it's currently as, and the right side is what we're going to replace it to. You also have a choice to skip some parts of it and go to the next one, but for this one we're just going to replace, and then we're going to choose to click on all. That we have replaced 94, we'll skip 0. We press OK, reload, searching for advanced here so you can see the new results. And here we can see what we have done. Simple way to kind of replace lots of things inside your project using Focus Replace with Hawkeye. That's it for me. Thank you.